This video shows the installation of spinner cut and fit monoblock Plast2000 connectors for LF 1/2 inch annually corrugated foam cable using a spinner trimming tool. When installed correctly, spinner cut and fit monoblock connectors show outstanding RF performance and best environmental protection. All spinner cut and fit monoblock connectors are delivered with installation instructions which also list the required tools. Firstly, remove the cable jacket to the dimension given in the installation instructions. Take care not to damage the outer conductor. The trimming tool houses two blades. The main one to cut cable layers, the smaller one to slit the cable jacket only. Place the collet guide of the trimming tool in the corrugation nearest to the trimmed jacket. Close the tool gently and rotate clockwise until the blade has cut the outer conductor and foam. Remove outer conductor with foam using pliers. Shorten the inner conductor using side cutter pliers to the dimension given in the installation instructions. Remove the jacket with a knife to the slit. If necessary, clear the inner conductor of all foam and adhesive. Insert the inner conductor into the chamfer unit of the trimming tool, then rotate the trimming tool to chamfer the end of the inner conductor. Insert the flaring unit's guide hole onto the inner conductor. Ensure that the flaring unit spike is positioned under the outer conductor. Turn the tool clockwise to flare the outer conductor. Check the foam is fully separated and evenly spaced from the outer conductor. If necessary, use a knife or screwdriver to remove any remains of foam from the outer conductor to ensure an optimal contact. Remove any metal debris with a nylon brush. The connector is already pre-adjusted during assembly to support an easy and immediate installation. Therefore, please do not screw the pre-installed back nut forward or backward. Push the entire connector with a slight rotation onto the cable until a click confirms that the connector has snapped over the outer conductor. Now, pull the connector to lock it with the corrugation. Tighten the back nut and the connector body using open-end spanners. Make sure to hold the body and rotate the back nut only. Torque the back nut to the value given in the installation instructions. Tape the gap between back nut and cable jacket to prevent Plast2000 leakage. Pierce the tape to ensure an air outlet when filling the connector with Plast2000. Screw the Plast2000 tube into the charging hole. Squeeze tube slowly to fill the inside space equally. When Plast2000 leaks from the vent hole, it has filled the main inside space of the connector. Tape the vent hole and continue squeezing Plast2000 into the connector. When Plast2000 leaks all over the pierced tape, it has filled the inside space entirely and the connector is sealed. Remove Plast2000 tube and quickly screw the included plastic cap into the charging hole. Now the spinner cut and fit monoblock connector is installed.